And sisters, introducing our guest speaker makes me incredibly happy. He holds a Master of Public Administration from West Negros University and a Bachelor of Education major in English. Given that, he completed his bachelor's degree in theology at Ebenezer Bible College and Seminary. He is credible and capable enough to offer his thoughts on today's Thanksgiving and Christmas celebration with the theme, Grateful Hearts and Joyful Hope. He then served as a senior pastor at Bacolod Alliance Church from 1999 to 2007. After serving as an associate pastor at Iligan Alliance Church from 1995 to 1998, he continued his passion by joining Kamakop as a missionary in Koror, Palau from 2007 to 2009. Our guest speaker is an outstanding chaplain or pastor because he also taught at Ebenezer College and Seminary from 2009 to 2012. Presently, he has served as a missionary Kamakop at Ibaraki Christian Church since 2012, as well as our National Director for the International Filipino Alliance Ministries, Japan Kamakop, and the Training Division of Missions. Our guest speaker is happily married to Liumi Faith Roa Firulen and has 2 children. Loria Fian, 24, who works at the Asian Institute of Science and Technology, and Ethan Leds, 21, who is a culinary major specializing in Japanese and Italian cuisine. So, ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming a round of applause for our guest speaker, Reverend Charles Alan Envidiado.